Hey, it's David Stark, Public Affairs Director for the Bay East Association of Realtors, and welcome to Realtor Safety Month. That's right, September is Realtor Safety Month. And to celebrate Realtor Safety Month, we're rolling out some new resources. I would encourage you to check out the September 14th recording of the Bay East Insider Live episode. It was all about staying safe while working from home. We had an expert talking about making sure that your home office is set up so it's ergonomically correct and you can stay safe physically, and another expert talking about emotional safety, mental safety, and spiritual safety, because that's so important these days when it's so stressful out there during the global pandemic. So you can check out the recording of the September 14th Bay East Insider Live at the Bay East website under the Videos tab. And coming up on September 21st, next Bay East Insider Live episode is going to focus on your tech safety, making sure that your electronic devices, including your lockbox, are safe during these times as well. So please, check out Bay East Insider Live on September 21st, check out that recording of the September 14th Insider Live, and stay safe.